step by step.
Merry Christmas! Let's read. Where is Santa? The perfect Christmas book! Let's celebrate Christmas with Step and Santa! Merry Christmas!
Where is Santa? He is at home. Ho, ho, ho! Ho, ho, ho! He is in the clouds. Ho, ho, ho! Ho, ho, ho! He is on the roof. Ho, ho, ho! Ho, ho, ho! He is under the Christmas tree. Ho, ho, ho! Ho, ho, ho! It is windy. Oh no! Where is Santa? Ho, ho, ho! Ho, ho, ho! Where is Santa? Ho, ho, ho! Ho, ho, ho! He is on the bus. Ho, ho, ho! Ho, ho, ho! He is here! Ho, ho, ho! Ho, ho, ho! Ho, ho, ho!
Hello, kids! Merry Christmas! I am Santa! Ho, ho, ho! What do you want for Christmas?
I want a Christmas tree.
Here you are!
Wow! Oh, a Christmas tree! Wow! Thank you, Santa!
What do you want for Christmas?
I want one Christmas ball!
Here you are!
Wow! Thank you, Santa!
One gift. One gift. Two gifts. Two gifts. Three gifts. Three gifts. Four gifts. Four gifts. Five gifts. Five gifts. Santa. Santa. Elf. Elf. Reindeer. Reindeer. Snowman. Snowman. Christmas tree. Christmas tree. Bell. Bell. Gift. Gift. Sleigh. Sleigh. Candy cane. Candy cane. Snow. Snow. Stocking. Stocking. Wreath. Wreath. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Also including visual vocabulary guides to help you read the book. And word tracing, also games and fun activities. A letter to Santa. A coloring page.
For everything step by step, check us out at sbses.jp. Thank you. Step by step.
Like and subscribe.